Here we are going to do today a shifting operation on a question given in Signal and Systems Open Handbook. So this signal is given in continuous time domain. Minus 1. So this is x of t given to you, and you have to do two operations of shifting on it. The first one is your x of t minus 1. So if you want to shift, basically it's a direct shift. You have to shift the signal by a value equals to 1 on the positive side, or can say right side. So it's shifting to the right side. So we'll draw it again. Shifting to the right side means that whatever the value you have on, it's shifting to the right side. So 2 will shift to 3, whatever the value is given to you here. 1 will shift to 2, 0 will shift to 1, minus 1 will shift to 0, minus 2 will shift to minus 1. In this way we are going to plot it. So whatever the value you have at 0 will be now shifted to 1. So let's say this is 1, this is your 2, this is your 3, 0, minus 2 is shifted to minus 1, and this nothing which is on at minus 2, because everything is shifted to the right hand side. So if we plot it, let me take another color here. This is minus 1, and this amplitude is also minus 1. So basically 0, whatever the value at 0, it is now shifted to 1. Whatever value you have at 1 is moving to 2. Whatever you have a value at 2 is moving to 3. You can see it here. Whatever value you have at minus 1 is now moving to 0. You have value at minus 2 is now moving to minus 1. So this is your right shift, and it's a straightforward forward example. Now moving on to the second example, which says that you have to now apply this function, which is, or you have to do a shifting which is equivalent to x of 2 minus t. So if we plot it, and if you remember the rule which I told you in the previous video, which says if there's a shifting and scaling, we will do the shifting first. So forget about the minus sign here, So what is shifting you have? It's positive. So you will shift this signal by a value 2 on the left hand side or the negative side. So if I have to plot this signal, so the first signal which I will plot is x of t plus 2. So x of t plus 2 means you are going to shift this signal by a value minus 2 on left hand side, or can say by 2 value on negative side. So minus 2 will go to minus 4 and minus 1 will go to minus 3. Zero will go to minus 2. So this is your minus 4, this is your minus 3, and 0 will go to minus 2. This is the value of 0 here, and whatever at 1 will be, because we are shifting by, will go to minus 1. Maybe the scale is a bit different now here, so it will be a minus 1 here. Whatever you have at 1 will basically move to minus 1, and whatever you have at 2 will move to 0. So we can say that it will be like this. This is your xt plus 2, but our target is basically x2 minus 2 to x2 minus t, or you can write it as minus t plus 2. So we already did this operation. We just have to include the presence of minus t, which we are again using as a scaling factor. So basically what we will do, we will rotate the signal by a value. Whatever is on this side will come to the other side. So if we'll plot this signal, so it will be plotted in a similar way here. Sorry, the amplitude I forgot to mention here, it's 1. Okay, so it will be 0, it will be 1, it will be 2, it will be 3, and from 3 you can see that we are going to 4, and the amplitude here is minus 1, so it will also be minus 1. So it's 2 1, and then this is the equation of a line. Okay, so in this way we are going to solve the problem based on this.